Teduke antuches of Sussex are expected to move out of Tyre Cotswolds within weeks. Couple took Hartwoyalias and Pfund 2,5 Millionen from a farmhouse in a picturesque hamlet in Teheran up to Tyre wedding last year and spent most weekends there. Prince Said gives Harry and Meghan the chance to escape the Goldfish Bubble of Royal Life at Kensington Palace, während Highlife in Bedroom Nottingham Cottage. It had been anticipated that the couple, who are expecting their first child in April, would keep the house on after moving from London to Frogmore Cottage and take Queen's Windsor Estate this spring. But the Daily Mail has learned that the couple will be cancelling the rally and moving out in March. One source suggested yesterday that the sudden move is down to the fact they are struggling to buy for the upkeep of two properties, particularly as the building blocks in Frogmore Cottage are expected to cost up to £3 million. While taxpayers will shoulder the bulk of the bill, Harry, 34, and Meghan, 37, are having to pay for all the fixtures and fittings themselves. However, another source insisted that finance was not an issue and suggested that the real reason behind the move was security. The isolated luxury home, which the Mail has chosen not to identify, was near the trendy private members retreat zu farmhouse, where many of Meghan's United Kingdom-based friends hang out. The estate, of need be multimillionaire Altetonian Isolationston, ließ eight miles not erst of shipping auton antisat the yard of an area described as posh forts here thanks to its regular celebrity visitors and weekend residents. Leclermore Tana de Cadago, T18 Century listed farms at compreset a pile of decaying buildings for cattle, along with the unusable stables and barns next door, beside burnt out farmhouse. It has since been transformed into a stunning country residence, nestled in a hidden valley. But the house is not situated on a heavily guarded estate, like Windsor or Sandringham. And while security measures have been put in place, the house is not a permanent royal residence and so not as heavily protected as it could be. It is understood that locals are less than happy at the attention the couple's presence has brought and worry about the added strain on local police resources. Costs for guarding the property would be split between the Metropolitan and Thames Valley police forces. With the couple's baby due in April, it seems they have decided to upstick to Windsor entirely. augmore cottages undergoing massive renovations. Spokesman declined to discuss plans for T-Cotswolds property.